In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable purchase orders, create one for a vendor, add your products or services, and convert it to a bill when the items arrive. A purchase order, or PO, is simply your formal request to a vendor, and it helps you lock in quantities, prices, and delivery details so your books stay accurate. First, make sure purchase orders are turned on in your company's settings. From your QuickBooks dashboard, click the gear icon in the top right and open Account and Settings. Head to the Expenses tab, then look for the option to use purchase orders. Turn that on. This unlocks the PO form across your account. Click Save, and then Done. If you don't see the PO option later, come back here to confirm the toggle is enabled. Turning it on once is all you need. Now you're ready to create your first PO. Click the plus new button. Under the vendor section, choose purchase order. Start at the top by selecting your vendor. Make sure the vendor profile is up to date so their email and mailing address appear correctly. Choose your ship to address, whether that's your office, a warehouse, or a drop ship location. Enter the PO date and the expected delivery date. That expected date is helpful for planning inventory and following up with the vendor if something is late. Next, add what you're ordering. In the item details section, pick each product or service from your products and services list. Enter the quantity, the rate, and verify the amount that calculates automatically. If needed, add a short description to clarify model numbers, color, or packaging. Keep going until everything you need is listed. Before moving on, confirm the total at the bottom. For the smoothest experience, make sure your products are already set up in products and services with correct names, categories, and default prices. When you're done, choose how you want to finalize it. Save and close keeps it on file so you can come back later. Save and send emails the purchase order directly to your vendor, which is great for speed and tracking, or print or download if you prefer to share it manually. If you're emailing, click send to deliver it right away, and consider adding a short, clear message in the email body. When the items arrive, open that same purchase order and click Copy to Bill. Review the quantities and amounts against what was delivered, make any necessary adjustments, and then select Save and Close. This links the PO to the vendor bill, ensuring accurate expense tracking and cleaner reporting. And that's it, your purchase order workflow in QuickBooks from setup to